In this tutorial we will see how to correctly map some variables of the cyclic communication of the Camozzi device on Ethercat bus. For the tutorial, as an example, only the first two input variables and the first two output variables of those available on the Camozzi DRVI for cyclic communication have been mapped. Once the mapping is done, it will be possible to control the DRVI by acting on the mapped variables, modifying and/or reading the values of the variables. The manual contains a description of the meaning and operation of all the available variables of the cyclic communication. In order for the variables we created to work, we need to associate them with the device. Let's see how. As we anticipated, we will show the configuration of two inputs and two outputs. Once the device connection for each variable is complete, click the Active Configuration button from the toolbar. Confirm and restart Twincat system in run mode. We wait for the operation to finish and then select the device. We can see that in the code editing area, the variables are associated with the device and configured. Now the variables are ready to be used in the program.